1. Apple. Quote by this, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." It reduced the risk of lung cancer, bladder cancer, stroke, and heart disease. Eating an apple daily can lower cholesterol. 2. Banana. Quote by this, "Eating only 2 bananas will give you enough energy to exercise or work out for an hour and a half." Bananas contain no fat, sodium or cholesterol. Serotonin and norepinephrine in bananas may naturally help sufferers overcome depression. 3. Dates. Quote by this, "Never mind if you can't find someone who hasn't dated before, you can always get fresh dates in the grocery store." Weight gain. Dates are said to be a part of a healthy diet. Heart wealth. Dates are quite helpful in maintaining your heart in a healthy condition. 4. Grapes. Quote by this, "I can drink grape juice almost every day, after all, it is called the nectar of gods." Good blood and bodybuilder, it is also a quick source of energy. Help reduce platelet clumping and harmful blood clots. Grape juice is easily assimilated and called the nectar of the gods. It is indicated in cases of constipation, gout, rheumatism, skin and liver disorders. 5. Guava. Quote by this, "If I happen to see guava in any store, I would crazily stack them up in my shopping cart, as I grew up eating these." Guava has general hemostatic properties and can be used for treating the bleeding nose, gums and minor internal hemorrhaging. Guava strengthens and tones up the digestive system and even disinfects the same. Guava helps cure dysentery, by inhibiting microbial growth and removing extra mucus from the intestines. 6. Jackfruit. An excellent vegetarian substitute for meat. Canned jackfruit in brine is sometimes referred to as vegetable meat. Jackfruit helps to lower blood pressure because of its high potassium content. It is also known to help cure ulcers and indigestion. 7. Lemon. Quote by this, "I wish I could count the number of times I would have shouted for lemon, my companion for almost all homemade remedies." Lemon is good for the stomach. Drinking lemon juice regularly, the bowels are aided in eliminating waste more efficiently. Lemon acts as a blood purifier and as a cleansing agent. Lemon juice acts as a liver tonic and helps you digest your food by helping your liver produce more bile. It is also excellent for skin care. 8. Mango. The first thing that comes to my mind while thinking about mangoes is, mango fruity, fresh and juicy. Mango is high in iron. It is high in antioxidants. It is an anti-inflammatory fruit, also contain pectin, a soluble dietary fiber, which has been shown to lower blood cholesterol levels. 9. Papaya. Quote by this, "After knowing about the wonders papaya can do to our skin, I had to remind myself over and over that it is a fruit and not a facial mask." Papaya is an amazingly rich source of proteolytic enzymes. These are the chemicals that enable the digestion of protein. Papain, which is the most important of these enzymes in the papaya. It acts as an antacid. It is rich in carbohydrates, thus boosting the energy of an individual. 10. Plums. Quote by this, "I love plums, but hate the plummy aches I get after eating too many plums." Plums are engorged with vitamins. It has vitamin A, vitamin K and vitamin C. Plums also have pantothenic acid, folate, vitamin B6 and vitamin E. Plums lead to better absorption of iron. 11. Pineapple. Pineapple is high in antioxidants. Pineapple is also an excellent source of manganese. It is important in maintaining good eye health, helping to protect against age-related eye problems. 12. Pomegranates. Somebody says edible ruby red gemstones. It fights flu virus. Its extract also helps reduce inflammation. It has been found to fight lung and prostate cancer. It has antioxidants that help in maintaining smooth and wrinkle-free skin. 13. Strawberry. Quote by I love anything with a dash of strawberry flavor in it. The nutrients in strawberries nourish brain cells, increasing brain health and function. It has anti-aging properties. The antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals of strawberries combine to form a powerful disease-fighting mixture.